Hey folks, welcome back to the latest edition of the Lloyds Coach, Exceptional Risk Advisors YouTube channel for all things Lloyds. My name is Sean.McNiff. I've been working in the Lloyds market for nearly 20 years now. And today I just wanted to share a quick case study on some of the work we do around entertainers, specifically ensuring a high income entertainer's income with a Lloyds income protection policy. So in this case, we had a 59-year-old actress and fashion designer who earns $1.3 million annually. We've had her on the books for about 10 years now. And the way that we structured a policy for her was that in the event she became disabled, her policy would have a 90-day elimination period and then provide a $65,000 per month monthly benefit for a period of 5 years. There's also a design under the Lloyds contract where you can add a lump sum to the back end of that monthly payment. She chose not to do that. So at her age, currently, the premium for that policy runs around $17,500 per year. And one thing I'd note is that if you're not working in entertainment, this still applies to your high income executives and professionals. The way that you would approach an executive or professional is you'd wanna go to the US domestic disability market and get as much coverage as you can. And typically you get around $25,000 per month, covering roughly $500,000 of income after taxes. Once you've hit that max in the domestic market, you'd come to the Lloyds market and supplement that with any additional coverage you'd need. There's a few other things we do in entertainment that I'd like to share because they have some application in the professional and executive space as well. The first being event cancellation and non-appearance. For touring artists, whether it's musicians or comedians, we have the ability to write a form of coverage called event cancellation and non-appearance coverage. In that setting, what that coverage does is it protects either a portion of the guarantees per stop for that tour, or it mitigates the expenses associated with that tour in the event that somebody either can't appear or that the event can't go on for a number of reasons. Those perils include things like hurricanes, snowstorms, earthquakes, weather. It's a really comprehensive program. And the reason I wanted to mention it here today is because that same program can be used in different ways to insure executives and professionals. So if you think about your clients who are throwing, very large weddings, putting on huge conferences, spending a lot of money to put on an event that's a big risk to that client in the event can't go on, you can use that same form of coverage to protect those events. The second thing is you can use that to protect huge vacations, right? Trip cancellation is a common form of coverage here in the US, but when the limit on the trip exceeds roughly $150,000, the domestic carriers can no longer participate in those opportunities. So we do write big trip cancellation policies, yacht coverage. So if you've got somebody renting a yacht for 2 weeks, you can protect those exposures for your clients using this unique form of coverage. So that's all I've got for you for today. If you have any questions, my contact information is always listed at the bottom, and please feel welcome to reach out. We would love to hear from you. Thanks so much and have a terrific day.